Hey guys, Cassie here from JSU Health and Physical Education. In our last video, we talked about the different types of germs that we're trying to prevent from entering in our body. So I think it's important to show how easy germs can be spread. So I have a little science experiment that you can do with your kids at home. So I'm going to flip this camera around. And all you need is a bowl of just plain water, soap, and then some pepper. So first you're going to grab the pepper and just put it all in the water. These will be our germs. Those are the yucky things that we don't want in our body. Go ahead and put a lot in it. The more that you put in it, the more fun that the kids are going to have. So you just take your finger and put it in the water. You see all those germs on you? Well, now dip your finger in the soap and see what happens. All the germs go away. The germs don't like the soap. So this is a good way to show, see, there's no more germs on me. Isn't that awesome? This is just a fun visual representation of the germs and how it can be spread from person to person for your kids to really enjoy. And it's a neat little science experiment that you can do with your kids. So in our next video, we will talk about the correct way to be washing your hands, and we'll also talk about the differences between hand sanitizer and washing your hands with actual soap. Bye, you guys.